Let's make vegan baked ziti, y'all! This 3-cheese vegan baked ziti stars homemade tofu ricotta, vegan parmesan from scratch, and hearty sausagey mushrooms. You top it off with gooey vegan mozzarella and bake to cozy perfection. Let's do it! Start by pressing your tofu with the Easy Tofu Press. This gets out the extra moisture so your ricotta will have the perfect texture. Add the tofu to your food processor along with nutritional yeast, olive oil, lemon juice, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and salt. Run the processor until you have a nice creamy mix. Stop a few times while you're processing to scrape down the sides. Now set that creamy tofu ricotta aside while you make the parmesan. As you can see, I'm using pecans here, but you can use any nuts or seeds that you like. Add your nuts or seeds to the blender, along with nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and salt. Now pulse until you have a nice crumbly mixture, and your parmesan is ready. Now grab your frying pan and let's make some sausagey mushrooms. Add your mushrooms to a frying pan, along with sausagey spices and salt, and cook until they're nice and brown. Then it's time to assemble that ziti. Add cooked ziti to the pan, along with prepared tomato sauce and the sausage mushrooms. Mix those together until they're nice and evenly combined. Now add dollops of the vegan ricotta and use a spoon to push it into the pan a little bit. Top it off with the mozzarella and a sprinkle of the parmesan you made. And now it's time to bake. After baking, I like to sprinkle on some fresh parsley for color, but it's totally optional. You can dish up this vegan baked ziti on its own or serve it with a side salad. It's a perfect weeknight dinner, but it's also fancy enough for the holiday table or dinner parties. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this vegan baked ziti. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!